amigos, Hannah from SpeakBetterSpanish here. I have a fun little expression that I have learned from my Mexican friends, and I'm not sure if it's used in other parts of Latin America, but that expression is, no es mucho, pero es trabajo honesto. It's not a lot, but it's honest work. And we can use that if we want to do like a humble brag, like we're proud of something that we did, but we don't want to be like, look at me. So we can say, no es mucho, pero es trabajo honesto. Or we can also use it in a literally humble sense. Like maybe we're not exactly that proud of what we accomplished, but we recognize, hey, it's better than nothing, right? So that expression is kind of like, can be like, it's better than nothing, depending whether it's more of a literal or more of a humble brag sense. So maybe I got a C on my test. I might say, no es mucho, pero es trabajo honesto. It's not a lot, but hey, I worked hard to get there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a comment below of how you might use the expression, no es mucho, pero es trabajo honesto.